Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your balance on your Wawa Rewards gift card. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in wawarewards.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Wawa Rewards website. Now from the homepage, you can proceed with logging in to your account by clicking on the sign in button at the top right corner and entering your credentials, or proceeding with your social account, but you can also check your balance without logging in. Just scroll all the way down from the homepage and you will now be shown the section where you can check your balance without registering. Just enter your gift card number within the Wawa gift card number box and then enter the PIN for your card. If you cannot find your PIN, just click on where is my PIN on my card and you will see the image that describes your PIN. After entering both of these credentials, click on check my balance. And now you will be able to find your balance right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to check the balance on your gift card by Wawa Rewards. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.